Hey guys, in this video we are going to show you how to hide likes you've made on Instagram posts and Reels. Sometimes you might want more privacy on Instagram, especially if you don't want others to know which posts or Reels you have liked. For example, you may like content that you'd rather keep personal, or you simply don't want your activity to be visible to friends or followers. To help with this, Instagram has built-in settings that let you control who can see your likes and interactions. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile and log into your account. Now, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Here, tap on the three lines from the top right corner to open the menu. Now scroll down and tap on Activity in the Friends tab. This section helps you manage how your activity is shown to others. Here you will see the option to adjust who can see your likes and comments on Reels. Now tap on No One. This will hide all the likes you've made on posts and Reels so nobody else can see them. After this, your settings will be saved automatically, and your likes will remain private. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.